my God! Look at the water! It is turning brown! Disgusting! Get out now, everyone! What is happening? Why is everyone running away? Is there something wrong with me?
Henry, the water around you looks like chocolate. What happened? Are you okay? No, it is my turn! I want the yellow duck floaty today. Give it to me! Huh? But you used it yesterday, Henry. Mom says we must share our toys.
Stop right now, both of you. Why are you always fighting about everything? Lily will use the duck today. Henry, you will use the blue one. Now, pack your bags quickly.
We are here! The sun is shining! Let's have a great day at the swimming pool!
Yay! The water looks very cool. I am going swimming first, Henry. This is so nice. I love relaxing on my big yellow duck.
I found my silly shark hat. This will be a fun costume surprise for Lily. Okay, I am the big bad shark now. Watch out, Lily! 1, 2, 3. The shark is coming to eat you! Boo! I am a scary shark!
Henry, you scared me!
Okay, Yellow Duck, let's see if you can make it through the shark's
Balance Wave Challenge, Shark Boy. I'm not gonna flip. I'm the queen of the duck ring.
Not for long. Water attack! The water went into my nose. That really hurts. Why did you do that, Henry? That joke scared me. I do not want to play like this anymore. I thought it was only a joke, Lily. I did not mean to make you upset. Ah, that was a good swim. Now, I need a short rest. Hello, I would like 1 chocolate ice cream and 1 strawberry ice cream, please.
Mom is buying ice cream. This is my chance. Henry needs a new joke. Aha! The chocolate syrup. This will be a harmless surprise for Henry.
Do not wake up, Sleepy Shark. I have a harmless surprise for you.
Okay, 1 chocolate shark on his red swim shirt. Perfect!
Oh no! Mom is coming! I must go right now. That was a good sleep. The sun is very hot now. Time to get in the water again. Here I come, everyone. Cannonball! Look at the big splash. Yay! Ew! Disgusting. The water is turning brown. Someone did a bad thing. Oh my gosh! Get out of the pool! The water looks dirty. Disgusting. What is wrong with the water? Why is everyone leaving? I did not do anything. Haha! Everyone ran away from the chocolate swirl. Your swim shirt looks like a chocolate monster costume. Lily! Did you put chocolate on my swim shirt? That prank embarrassed me in front of everyone. I need to talk to Lily and fix this properly. Excuse me, may I borrow the small empty bucket for a safe pool game? I can make a tiny playful splash, but I must keep it safe and kind.
The chocolate monster joke was the best. Now I can rest my eyes.
Stay still, Lily. I will give you a tiny splash surprise.
Ready, set, tiny splash surprise! Surprise, Lily!
Cold!
Henry, stop it! Mommy!
Achoo! Brr. That was not nice, Henry. Why did you do that? That was Lily's voice. We need to check on her right away.
Henry, please stop and tell me what happened. Did you splash Lily without asking her?
You are safe, Lily. I am here with you. Let me help you stay warm and comfortable.
Both of you, listen carefully. These pranks caused a problem. and the fighting must stop now. Never put food in the pool. Chocolate. Chocolate can make the water dirty and cause problems for everyone.
Splashing someone without permission is not safe near a pool. Jokes must stop when someone feels uncomfortable.
But Dad, the chocolate made the water look dirty. The prank embarrassed me in front of everyone.
His shark prank made my duck float wobble. I became very scared, but I should not have played another prank.
Listen carefully. A joke is only funny when everyone feels safe and happy. These pranks went too far.
Making someone's float unstable is unsafe. Surprise splashing near a slippery pool deck is unsafe too. Revenge is never the answer. Family members should respect, protect, and care for each other.
I am sorry, Lily. I will not play unsafe shark tricks again. I will help keep you safe in the pool.
I am sorry too, Henry. We are family, not prank rivals.
Those were thoughtful apologies. Now let us help clean up the mess, and then we can get some ice cream.